Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have seen our last videos, you know we spent 2 memorable days in beautiful Dilijan. If you will visit Armenia, definitely go to this place. And now we are back to Yerevan. Yerevan, capital and largest city of Armenia. One theory regarding the origin of Yerevan's name is the city was named after Armenian king Yerevan IV, the leader of Oronted dynasty. The Republic Square, Opera Theatre, Blue Mosque, and Yerevan Cascade are among the main landmarks at the center of Yerevan. Yerevan TV Tower is the tallest structure in the city. Cascade is the beating heart of the city. It has a lot of cafes and eating joints nearby. You can climb up the stairs and capture the best panorama of the city with Mount Ararat standing behind the beautiful buildings. If we look at the cascade as a building, we can see several floors on each story with distinctive piece of arts. On every floor, there is also an inside hall with different contemporary artwork and escalators. At night, city looks astonishingly beautiful. It's full of clubs, bars, pubs, live shows and crazy parties for youngsters and parks for families and kids. And this is the famous Republic Square and its musical fountain. next day, we had a cooking competition in the hotel. 4 or 5 nationality people were cooking their country's special dish. So we planned to cook butter chicken. And guess what? We won. We bought some gift for our friends in UAE from Gum Market, and that's how we ended our journey. I hope we will revisit this beautiful country soon to see all the other places which we cannot see this time. Till then, thank you so much for watching our Armenian series. Bye bye.